Hey guys, and welcome back to another very interesting video. Today I'll be telling you guys top 5 Android tricks that will blow your mind. The first one is how you can get back the accidentally cleared notification. Let's consider I cleared that notification accidentally. I wanted that notification so badly. I don't know which app sent that notification as well. So what we have to do now is just long press on the home screen and click on the widgets. In the widgets, go to the settings widget, drag and drop onto the home screen. In that options, just select something called notification log. In the notification log, this is the widget for all the missed notification or the list of notifications that your device has received throughout this day. As you can see, these were the cleared notifications that I cleared from my notification chamber just a few minutes ago. By this method, you can find all the notifications that you have cleared accidentally. Let's take another example and explain it to you clearly. I'll clear all these notifications and let's consider all were very important for me. From the notification log widget, I can get to see all the notification that I cleared right now. It also displays the currently active notifications or missed notifications or inactive notifications, etc. This is a very cool method. The next trick is I will tell you how you can dial any person's number using your phone dialer app. Just open the dialer app from your Android smartphone. And let's consider you have to dial a person named ABHAY or Abhay. Open the dialer or the 9 dots menu and just type ABHAY using the number pad. As you can see, the name just came up. Let's consider we have to type the name Akshay. Akshay is present under the digits. The A is present under the digit 2. A. K is present under 5. S on 7. H on 4. A on 2 and on 9 the letter Y is present. Let's consider I have to type Abhay. A and B both are under 2. H is under 4. A is under 2 and Y is under 9. By this method, you can easily type anyone's number using your dial pad. Pretty awesome trick, right? So subscribe right now for more awesome content. The next trick is creating a recycle bin for all your photos and videos that you have deleted from your Android smartphone. Just open the Google Play Store. Once the Google Play Store is open, in the search box, just type Dumpster, DUMPSTER, Dumpster. This is the app that you have downloaded on your Android smartphone. Hit install and wait till it gets installed. Once the app is installed, open the application and just go through a set of few self-explanatory explanations that the application gives to you. I will agree to all the conditions. Let's hit the option called Start with Basic. If you buy the Pro version, you will not get any ads and it will show the tutorial first. Let's consider this is the photo you deleted. Accidentally you deleted the photo. Hit next and once you open the dumpster, it will be a recycle bin and all your photos will be present. Now let's give the permissions for dumpster to make sure the dumpster application will act as our recycle bin. These are the few deleted photos and videos on my device. Let's now do an experiment and let's check out. Let's consider this is the photo that I have to delete, or this is the photo that I would be deleting accidentally from our smartphone. Yeah, I deleted this photo from my phone accidentally. I didn't want it to delete, but I'm just trying it out and let's open the dumpster application. As you can see, the Batman photograph that we deleted is right here, and what we'll be doing next is just clicking on that photo and there is an option called Restore. Just click on that Restore option and it will be successfully saved onto your local storage. The next trick is how you can charge your smartphone faster. Let's consider you have plugged on your smartphone to the charging point. just bring in the notification tray and turn on the aeroplane mode. By this, all the unnecessary network disturbances or the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth or other network signals will be cancelled, and your smartphone will successfully charge up to 25% faster. This is a method by which you can easily charge your smartphone faster and make sure your battery is full soon. The next trick is I will explain you how you can use WhatsApp as a notepad. Just create a new group and add someone from your friends who doesn't use WhatsApp much, or if you have a secondary personal number, just add that number to the WhatsApp group. This region is masked because it is my personal contacts. As you can see, this is my another number and I am typing the name of the WhatsApp group as Notepad, and I will hit enter and the WhatsApp group will be successfully created. As you can see, in this group there is only me and my personal number. This is the notepad, and this is how you can create a notepad using WhatsApp application. If you guys have liked this video, kindly hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and before leaving, kindly subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos as well, as we have created more than 135 videos and all of them have awesome content. Thank you for watching, guys.